Right, so now that we're getting this error over here, what Next.js tends to do is it doesn't allow any images from external sites. So what we need to do is we need to essentially configure the images section of external URLs that we use. So that is done in the next.config.js file. So all we need to do is essentially whitelist this URL in our next.config file. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's quite simple. If we go down to next.config over here, and in here we just basically do images like so, and then you pass in the domains like that. So essentially images, domains, and all the domains that we want to whitelist. I believe we have a couple images that we whitelist, so let me just add in the second one, which is this one over here. So now let me just save this, and we need to restart the server. So with TurboPack, it basically restarts the server. It says here, found a change in next.config.js, restarting the server to apply the changes. So let's go back in the browser and just refresh the page. And now you can see the images are going to be loaded. For the first go, they won't load correctly because they were fetching the images, and now they are loaded. So when we refresh the page now, the images load instantly because they are now cached. So that is essentially how it works. What we want to do now is we are fetching all of our APIs client side, but what we now want to do is first of all we have the array of our data, but when we click to view details, we essentially want to go to destination slash number 3 or whatever the number is. So first of all, we need to create that page. And then second of all, we need to create the API for that. And we will do that next.